Happy morning to all my lovely students there. How are you students? I hope you are taking care of your health. As you know, we have completed our chapter number 12, that was profit and loss. So today we will be starting with a very short chapter. And before Diwali, we will be able to complete that too. Students, today we will be starting with chapter number 18, that is temperature. Students, in this whole chapter, you are supposed to remember only two formulas. And the whole chapter is based on two formulas. When you open your textbook, you can see on page number 136, the chapter starts. 137 only one exercise is there, and on 138 review exercise is there. That's it. You are supposed to remember only two formulas. Okay? Relax students, this is very easy chapter. So let us understand with the video. Students, we are very familiar with the word that is temperature. Temperature means आसपास का तापमान. You can see in your smartphones, temperature is given. ऐसे ऊपर छोटा सा ऐसे डिग्री लगाई होगी वो फीट C होता है. C stands for Celsius and F stands for Fahrenheit. Okay? So now let's understand it in the better way.
My ice cream is very cold, but my soup is very hot. Temperature is another important aspect of our lives. It tells us about the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. How can we measure temperature? Now, by simply touching the object, we can easily tell if the object is warm or cold. But we do not get the exact degree of hotness or cold.
Students, when you drink hot water, you can feel glass बहुत गर्म है. You can say पानी बहुत गर्म है. अगर आप फ्रिज में से कुछ निकालते हैं, तो you can feel कि ये जो अंदर चीज है वो बहुत ठंडी है. That is coldness. Okay? So we can feel it is hot or it is cold, but we does not know the exact measure. With the help of some formulas, we can find the exact measure.
Coldness of the body. We use a special instrument called thermometer to measure the exact temperature of a body. To measure the human body temperature, the doctors use a special thermometer called the clinical thermometer.
Students, आप बहुत बार डॉक्टर के पास गए होंगे अगर आपको फीवर होता है. So what doctors do? They place one thermometer under the tongue and measures your body temperature, right? So that thermometer is known as clinical thermometer. To measure the body temperature, we use clinical thermometer.
Normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.
Students, you need to remember this degrees. The normal body temperature is 37 degree or 98.6 degree F. F stands for Fahrenheit and C stands for Celsius.
8.6 degree Fahrenheit. We use two different scales for measuring temperature. Celsius scale, degree Celsius. Fahrenheit scale, degree Fahrenheit. Temperature is measured on a range between two reference points. On Celsius scale, melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. It is also called freezing point of water. This is read as 0 degrees Celsius or centigrade. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. This is read as 100 degrees.
Students, we measure the Celsius. हर एक की कुछ स्केल होती है from lower to upper. So in Celsius, it starts from 100 degree to exactly. Focus students. Listen to the words properly. It starts from 0 degree to 100 degree. 0 degree is the melting point of ice. It is also known as freezing point. And you can see यहाँ पर पानी बहुत उबल रहा है. It is becoming steam now. It is at 100 degree Celsius.
Degree centigrade. The range of temperature is 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. On Fahrenheit scale, melting point of ice or freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is read as 32 degree Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. This is read as 212 degree Fahrenheit. The range of temperature is 32 degree Fahrenheit to
Students, you need to remember the range of Fahrenheit, that is 32 degree F to 212 degree F. Okay?
212 degree Fahrenheit. Conversion of scales. The two scales of measuring temperature are related to each other. 100 divisions on the Celsius scale are equal to 180 divisions.
Students, in Celsius scale we can see 100 divisions, but in Fahrenheit scale we can see 180 divisions. Okay?
Divisions on the Fahrenheit scale. Celsius to Fahrenheit.
So students, now just a second. Okay. We have seen all this. We can have come to know what is clinical thermometer, what is Celsius, what are Fahrenheit, what are the degrees, 0 degree to 100 degree. Then we have also seen 32 degree F to 200 degree F. Now on page number 137, we have seen that in Celsius there are hundreds, divisions, and in Fahrenheit scale we have 180 divisions, right? Now we will learn how to convert it. So let's start with exercise number 1. Your first question is, convert the following into degrees in Celsius. In the question, we have F. F is there in the question. We are supposed to convert it in Celsius. So what we will be doing? Just a second. Okay, done. So students, in question number 1, we are supposed to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. What you have to do? One simple basic thing. 86 degree F equals to, you are supposed to convert it. तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? आपको जो भी क्वेश्चन में नंबर दिया है उसमें से 32 माइनस करोगे. What you will be doing? 32 minus, and then you will be multiplying it with 5/9. This is the standard formula. आपका जो भी क्वेश्चन का नंबर होगा, that will be coming over here. Then minus 32 into 5/9. 86 minus 32. 4, 5. 54 into 5/9. 9 ones are 9. 9 6s are 54. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 6 5s are 30. So you will be writing 30 degree Celsius. Understood? In the question it was given F and we have converted it into C, that is Celsius. Done? Easy? Now let's solve one more sum for your understanding. That is 59 degree F. 59 degree F. That means 59 minus 32 into 5/9. This will remain same in each and every sum where we are supposed to convert it in Celsius. Done? Easy? Okay. I am erasing this. Okay. Now 59 minus 32. If you want, you can show the division. 59 minus 32. 27. 27 into 5/9. 9 ones are 9. 9 3s are 27. 3 5s are 15 Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius. Students, it may happen कि ये numbers cutting नहीं हो. So review exercise on page number 138. You will be solving your question number 2. Okay students, and if you have any doubt, I will be solving in the live classes. Bye students. May God bless you.